Hey guys, today we're going to make these yummy dippable crispy cheddar cheese chips, and I went ahead and made them into full-blown nachos. If you want to see how we do it, stick around. So to start with, you're going to want to get a large mixing bowl, and you're going to put your ingredients in it. 4 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, the sharper the better. A half a teaspoon sea salt, although in the future I'll probably omit that. A half a teaspoon onion powder, a half a teaspoon garlic powder, a 1/4 of a teaspoon cumin, a 1/4 of a teaspoon paprika, and a 1/4 of a teaspoon chili powder. You're going to take all of these ingredients and pour them into that big bowl and just combine them really well with your hands. Once you do that, you're going to take some parchment paper, and you can see here we're just using an old cookie sheet. I didn't want to mess up a nice one with the melted cheese just in case. You're going to spread that parchment paper out on top of it and leave a little extra overhang on either side to make it easier to pick up your chips once they're done. After you have that spread, you're going to take your bowl of cheese and spices that you mix together, and you're going to spread it evenly onto your pan. My husband really takes his time with this part. After you dump it all in there, you can just use your hand to spread it into an even layer. There you go. Once you have that, you're going to pop it into your preheated oven, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Once that's done, you can see it's greasy and bubbly. You're going to take it out and just let it sit for a few minutes until the cheese crispens up. And after that, you'll be able to just use a regular pizza cutter and cut it into whatever shape you prefer. My husband actually kept these into little squares, and they looked almost like the little Cheez-It crackers. But if you prefer the look of tortilla chips, because it's a rectangular shape here in the pan, you can easily cut them into triangles. And after you get done cutting them, they will lift really easily from the pan. And here you go, in a dish. And you see we have our sour cream and guacamole set to the side. And I decided to just go all the way here and add the avocado sour cream and a couple tablespoons of salsa, just a couple tablespoons. And went ahead and topped it with some more shredded cheese just to give it that full nacho effect. There you have it, guys. Quick, easy, and delicious. We devoured this in about 5 minutes. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe for future videos. Thanks, guys.